Okay, I got 20 miles on the Shinko 244 tires from yesterday. Highly impressed with the on-road and off-road performance of it, especially the off-road. As you'll see in a couple clips coming up, these tires are quieter than those stock piece of shit Innova slicks, and that's for knobbies on hard-packed gravel. But I'm gonna give it a test today. I'm heading over to the Willow Creek part of the trails. I got out a little bit early today. I'm thinking I might drain the battery, get home, and see if I can get a partial charge to get a late afternoon, early evening ride in, because these tires have killed my range. And here we are on the gravel. The girl had a lot of sparklies on. All right, so just a reminder, if you see handlebars, I'm sitting down, and if you don't, I'm standing up. These are so much quieter. I wish Engineering Explained would watch my video and reply as to why these tires are quieter than those street tires on gravel. Okay, I got both airs. I got big tires. No, that came out wrong. I got air on that one. Both tires in the air. This is Park City's recycling moose. I don't know if this was intended for this purpose, but that's what it is now. And this is the Willow Creek Dog Park. The soccer fields are full of moose and deer droppings. I guess when the kids are away, the moose will play. Can you hear how quiet this is? All right, we're gonna do a hard break right here. That was with the new 180 rear rotor and Shinko tires I still skidded, but it still gripped and did not get squirrely like the old ones did. One finger braking. Yeah, my bad. So those previous clips were in cinematic. Don't know if you had motion smoothing, but now we do. Okay, I think one of the places I lost it was right up here in some of these blind turns. I know twice I've been run off the trail by other people coming the other way. But once, yeah, I laid it down. That little turn right there was always problematic because you might have a little speed coming into it. The bike would get squirrely as fuck. Maybe it was over here where I dropped it. I can't remember. Now, for what it's worth, I'm running 20 pounds in the front, 25 in the rear. Well, a little bit more in the rear because that's where my weight is and that's where the power is. So hopefully that doesn't sacrifice too much range. At least that's my thinking anyways. All right, this left turn here in the gravel, I dropped it before because the front end slipped out. Let's see how we do. That's with throttle too. All right, so this is the last bit of the gravel part of it. It's just straights. But look, watch this. Can you do that? Whoa. Can you do that can you do no hands while pedaling on your tires? And I haven't even practiced yet. That's accelerating. Quiet. God damn, I love it. My ears will love it too. Okay, I'm on my way back home. It's gonna be a 14-miler, which is basically my northern half of the trip. And I'm down to 4 bars, so I'm a little bit under half. But I'm gonna put this on the charger for about maybe 2 hours and then come back out. I got some ideas for another video. Yeah, it's scary. See ya.